Okay, let's come over and look at CL next. Let's just whiz this out to the 4-hour chart. What I think we've got here is the 1, 2, 1, then this is a diagonal one. I'm looking for the 2 back before we go 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, so on and so forth, all the way up into the mid-80s is what I'm looking for in CL, but with a move to around the 75, 76 region next after this next wave 2 pullback. So just bringing it back down to that 15-minute chart. This is the micro count for the 5 up. We came just shy of the 1618 for the completed diagonal, and looking for this to come back down here to between the 764 and 618 today, and then up again in CL from there. Then NG, we came all the way up here and just spiked through the 786 retrace yesterday for this 2 and reversed reasonably. I'm looking for that high to be maintained at 29.48 and to start to accelerate down. I think this is all part of the wave 1 of the next leg down. So I'm expecting a 5-wave structure of some description down, then 3 up before we let go in NG. We're now fully short NG via DGAS.